tree. Let's go see if Santa came. Come on. 8. What does an 8 say? Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go check it out this way. Over here. A 10? I know. Come on, Jack. Come on. Oh, this way. Look under the tree.
Santa.
Did Santa come?
Presents.
Oh my goodness. Presents.
Wait, we put them both for Dad. We put it in the open. Was it open?
Yeah, let's wait for Mimi.
This is Sophia.
Mimi.
Oh my gosh, Santa was here! Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Here, come on in. Go get Papa. Go get Papa. I was wasted last night. Come on, Joy. What's this? Oh.
Did Santa come?
Yes. This is for you too, Mom.
Ooh,
This is number 4.
number 4.
What do you say, Mom?
Do you need me to do something?
Well, they can go in my chair. They can have some French toast.
Here, Sophia, we're going to have breakfast. Let's go. Here, Papa will lift you up.
We'll get some knives.
Whoa, way up in the air.
What's that?
All right, let me get knives.
Z. What does a Z say? Z. Zebra.